Hi, in this tutorial I continue with the second part of the tweak objects by sculpting or painting tool. Let's click on this and we've reached this option, jitter covers selected object. So let's select this object, go back to the tool, and now notice that these channels here now became active. All of them are on by default. The first one acts on object's hue, the second one on saturation, lightness and opacity, and you can turn any of these off. So if I want to just control the hue, I can turn these off and paint like this, and you see how I'm changing the color of the object here to something else. Of course, you can also act on opacity, lightness and saturation. So like I said, these are only active when we are in any of these two color modes. Now the second one here, paint the tool's color upon selected objects. If you select this, this will change now the color to green. You see the fill here. You see how slowly this changed the color to this green. Now the next option here is push parts of path in any direction. So let's select this and go here to select this path. I have stroke on it, so you can see it a little bit better. Now let's go back to the tool, and this, like I said, will push the parts of path in any direction. You see how this works. The second one here will shrink or inset parts of path with shift to grow. Let's select this. You see how this is shrinking, and if I hold down the shift key, it will grow. Now the next option here, attract parts of path towards cursor with shift away. Let's select this. And see how this attracts. And if I hold down the shift key, it will push it away. Now the next option here, roughen parts of path. Let's select this. Now this one can be a little bit tricky. Let's see what it does. You see the effect here. Let's zoom in. And let's select this tool, edit path by nodes, to see how many nodes we have created using this option. And I'll go back here. And the last option here, fidelity. Low fidelity simplifies path. High fidelity preserves path features but may generate a lot of new nodes. So the higher this number is, the higher the number of nodes here every time you use this different modes here that affect path. So that's all the options for this tool, and you see that this tool is fun to work with. Some of the modes here can be really useful, so I suggest you experiment a little and get to know this tool. So that's it for this tutorial. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. Bye for now.